Good morning, everybody. So here's what I got for today, right? Inflation, interest rates, M&A deals, what's happening to buyers. That's what's on everybody's mind right now. So I'm super excited to introduce you to Steve Mariani. Steve is like my brother from another mother. We've been doing deals for over 15 years. I think Steve's got a really unique viewpoint. He talks to buyers and bankers all over the country. So Steve, let's talk a little bit about your company and how you got here. Tell us a little bit about your backstory.
Hey, good morning, Gokul. First, thanks for having me. It's always great to share information and keep everybody informed. I do try and keep my finger on the pulse of the country by talking to lenders and brokers around the country. Our firm started back in '96, so we're, 26, 27 years old at this point. But we specialize in working with the larger broker transactions throughout the country. We don't go to the general public. We only finance buyers of transactions throughout the country. So we're pretty familiar with that market and that segment. The broker industry and the buyers and sellers market is where we live every day.
Let's just get right into it. Interest rates. What is happening? What do we need to know? How's it affecting people that are selling companies and people that are buying companies?
A great question. We're seeing them go up daily, as if you're watching the market at all.
Yeah.
Now here's really the concern there from a business perspective. Does it slow buyers down? It slows them down a little bit. But on the larger goodwill transactions, if your transaction is, $1 million or $1.5 million plus, then it's not going to be a big factor. The way we describe it to our clients, if they're buying a $3 million transaction, it's going to have a level of cash flow that can support, a 1, 2, 3 point increase. Mm-hmm. So what we're typically doing is we're adding 2 or 3 points just to the current rate to show them, experience-wise, it's not going to be a big concern.
Where do you see interest rates, or how is it going to affect people buying and selling companies? Let's just say, we don't know beyond a year. Let's just focus on this year, for example.
Sure. And I'm happy to go back to 2 months where I did see a bit of a slowdown. Yeah. I really think between the war and all those other things you mentioned, the interest rate increases and just everything that's going on, turbulent-wise, inflation in the country, that people did take a step back. And that was, like I said, 6 weeks, 2 months ago. But now those people that are focused on buying businesses are coming back to the market. And they're coming back, like I said, a little slower and a little more methodically, but they're coming back and we're seeing transactions happen. A higher level of quality. We're not going through all the quantity we were, but what we are seeing is quality buyers and quality sellers really doing transactions right now. So in my mind, and this is what I've been preaching across the country, is to just stay focused. Stay, don't change your plan, continue to work hard and do what you do. If you're a seller, keep focused on your business. Don't act like it's going to be somebody else's in just a few months. Stay focused, keep it going. You keep operating that business like you're going to have it for the next 10 years and you'll be fine. And the same thing with all the workers out here. It's just, stay focused, keep doing what you're doing, don't change your plan, and work a little bit harder, because that's what I think it's all going to take from all of us.
If you like this video, go check out some of my other videos at www.rbasales.com. Check out later.